Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you are new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video I have got my brushless converted Losi 5T out with me. And we're going to be bashing here at this park today. It's a pretty darn nice day. It's up over 50 degrees. The snow is still melting, but it's a beautiful day to take this machine out. Running on ADAS, of course. I'm running my 9,000 milliamp Power Hobby 130C discharge rate 4-cell pack, so 8S total, running the huge QS8 connectors. You guys have been loving the Losi 5T content, so I just wanted to bring more, and I really love running this machine. It's a ton of fun. So now, if you watched the last video where I was bashing in the snow, I broke my front bumper, so at least for now I just temporarily zip tied it. Whether or not that'll hold, I don't know. I don't really want to replace it, because if I replace this whole piece, I'll probably do an endo again and crash it and break it almost immediately. That's pretty prone to breaking, actually. So that's why I decided to just go with the zip ties for now. Also, on the last bash, I broke where this clip goes through. So the clip is supposed to go through like that. That broke on the last run, so we'll only have 3 clips holding it. Also, it's pretty breezy today. It's warm, but it's breezy, but I do have my wind catch on my phone, so that should help lessen that wind noise quite a bit. But let me go ahead, get her hooked up, and we're gonna jump right in this video. Alrighty guys, time to rock and roll. Here we go. You know what I want to do? I want to go jump the road. That's a ton of fun. I love jumping the road over here. I just gotta watch for traffic. Also, by the way, guys, if you are liking the Losi 5T content, make sure to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. And if you do, make sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I come out with new videos, because I'm planning on a lot more content with this machine. Wait a second, we haven't done a launch yet. All right, are you guys ready for a launch? Ready, get set, go! Oh my gosh, I got pelted. I got pelted by all the rocks. It takes off like a rocket. It takes off very hard. I'm thinking maybe jump the road right along here. It's a little wet. Super wet on that side. Oh, well, the electronics are waterproof. Pretty nice. This thing's so fast. All right, don't want to go any further than that. I can't see over the crest of that hill. By the way, guys, I just recently did a speed test with this thing. It went, what did it go, 54.5 miles per hour? I'll go ahead, I'll put a card in the corner of the video if you want to check out that video. This thing's no slouch, that is for sure. fast. Why not go ahead, let's launch it right here. It's already all wet. Oh wow, that was quite the send. Give that a thumbs up, guys. Doesn't fly too bad. Let's go back down here. I want to jump a little bit of these snow piles down here. That'll be fun. Also, by the way, guys, let me know what other type of content do you want to see with the Brushless Losi 5T. I have a couple ideas. I definitely want to do a tug of war. I'm thinking a tug of war with this and maybe my Baja, or maybe since the Bajas are two-wheel drive, I maybe would put this up against both the Bajas hooked up together. So both the Bajas, which are both gas-powered, in a tug of war against this thing, what do you think would win? I really don't know. It could be a toss-up. All depends on traction, probably. Or what about this against my X-Maxes? Hook a couple of my X-Maxes up. I'm sure against one X-Max, this would take it no problem. Against two, I'm not so sure. Or if I put it up against the Behemoth. The Behemoth X-Max, if you watch that video, that thing is an absolute beast. But it's still not to the size of this. It still doesn't weigh as much as this. Don't think it'd be able to outpull this thing, I don't think. I could be wrong though, who knows? You can just drift around the parking lot. Ton of fun. That tire balloon up. Front tires are ballooning like crazy. And these are a very stiff compound and very firm tires, so that takes a lot of wheel speed to make these balloon. That's so much fun. That was kind of a hard landing. Oh, something broke. Something broke. That landed really bad. Back part of the cage, something off the cage just broke. Oh, look at that, guys. Holy, that did a lot of damage, actually. That there just did a lot of damage. Looks like what was connected here is all broken now. I've never landed that hard on the back end like that, on the rear bumper. Jeez, I'm probably gonna need new rear bumper mount. Gosh, that was a very hard hit. I just saw a piece of spray everywhere. Oh my gosh. Well, if you watched the video up to this point, guys, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I destroy my stuff for your guys' entertainment. I do have fun, but if you want to help me out, hit that thumbs up button. I would greatly appreciate it. But yeah, this thing's just hanging at this point. But you know what? The battery's probably pretty darn close to hitting low voltage mode anyway. I don't think I should keep on running it now that this is all busted. Let's get the body off. Let's take a closer look. Just look at that. Nothing's holding it. There's nothing holding it. Let me get my mic turned around real quick. Yeah, there's nothing holding this rear bumper on. It broke. The piece that goes right in here, both those pieces broke off. Gosh, it slid on top of the body, tore up my wrap a little bit, scuffed it up, a little bit of road rash. Looked like that punched through right there, that body washer that popped through the body. Let's get the body off. Let's assess the damage real quick. Still, I had a lot of fun. Let me know what you guys think. The jumping was a lot of fun. We didn't do a ton of jumping, but it was a lot of fun. I probably shouldn't have jumped this snow pile right here, but it's so tempting, you know? I didn't expect the rear end to land like that because this thing almost always nosedives. So I was getting ready to press the throttle to make the front end lift back up, but it was the opposite issue. It went too far back. Oh, batteries slid. My zip ties broke. So zip ties broke, batteries slid out, but hopefully the batteries are all good. They're still plugged in. This is where the major issue is back here. I will need a whole new bumper, because look at this. All of this is broken. This is the only piece holding it. This needs to be connected here. This is the first time I've ever broken a rear bumper. But I'm gonna wrap the video up now, guys. If you did enjoy it, give it that big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, hit that notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Later.